Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, I am Bahubali Desai. In this video, we are going to discuss MCQs on Research Aptitude. We completed crash course on Teaching Aptitude. So from today, we will start Research Aptitude. And friends, for your APSET examination, we are providing you crash course with 20 mock tests only at Rs 1999, which is available on our Global Online University app. And if you don't want to join for crash course, alternatively you can only join for 20 mock tests with solution PDF only at Rs 499 on our website and on our WhatsApp group. And once if you join for our crash course or mock test, you will be added to our paid WhatsApp group where you will get all the links, PDFs and all. And this is our schedule of the test. You can download it from our website also. And if you have any confusion related to our test, first test is free. You can give first test at free of cost. Let us move to the question. Here the question is, an example of scientific knowledge is option A, authority of the prophet or great man. Option B, social traditions and customs. Option C, religious scriptures. Option D, laboratory and field experiments. Friends, here the right answer about scientific knowledge is option D, laboratory and field experiment is the correct answer. Please remember the answer. The right answer is laboratory and field experiments. This is true about the scientific knowledge. Let us move to the next question. A research problem is feasible only when option A, it is researchable. Option B, it is new and adds something to knowledge. Option C, it has utility and relevance. Option D, all of the above. Here the right answer is option D, all of the above are true about the research problem. Research problem, it is researchable and it is new and it will add something to the knowledge, and it has utility and also it has relevance. So option D is the right answer. The next question is, which of the following term explains the idea that knowledge comes from experience? Option A, rationalism. Option B, empiricism. Option C, logic. Option D, deduction. The right answer is option C, logic. The knowledge comes from experience. It is logic. So the next question is, which of the following is a primary source of data? Primary data are collected by the researcher. First hand data. Okay, these data are also known as the first hand data. Okay, option A, personal records, letters, diaries, autobiographies, wills, official records, government records, information preserved by social religious organizations. Option C, oral testimony, traditions and customs. Option D, all of the above. Yes friends, all of these personal records, letters, diaries, official records, documents, all oral testimony, these are all primary source of data. So option D is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. The quality of research is judged by the option A, relevance of research. Option B, methodology adopted in conducting the research. Option C, depth of research. Option D, experience of researcher. Here the right answer is option B, methodology adopted in conducting the research. The quality of research is judged by the methodology. So let us move to the next question. For doing external criticism, a researcher must verify option A, the signature and handwriting of the author. Option B, the paper and ink used in that period which is under study. Option C, study of prose writing of that period. Option D, all of the above. Here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Okay, let us see the next question. 9 years old children are taller than 7 years old ones. It is an example of option A, vertical studies. Option B, cross-sectional studies. Option C, case studies. Option D, experimental studies. The right answer is, okay friends, sorry, here the right answer is option B, cross-sectional studies, not C. Okay, 9-year-old children are taller than 7 years old ones. It is an example of cross-sectional studies. And cross-sectional studies, population of various ages, sex, religions is taken and their attributes are collected. Then attribute is common to a particular group identified by averaging the attributes. Okay, the next question, all causes non-sampling errors except option A, faculty tools of measurement, option B, inadequate sample, option C, non-response, option D, defect in data collection. Here the right answer is option B, inadequate sample. Okay, let us move to the next question. If you are doing experiment on a large group of sample, which method of controlling will you adopt? Option A, matching, option B, randomization, option C, elimination and matching both, option D, elimination. Here the right answer is option B, randomization. Please remember this. The next question is, validity of a research can be improved by option A, eliminating extraneous factors, option B, taking the true representative of the sample of the population, option C, both of the above measures, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, both of the above measures. Validity of research can be improved by eliminating extraneous factors and also taking true representative sample of the population. The next question is, an important practical issue to consider while designing a research project is option A, an interesting theoretical perspective, option B, add to knowledge of researchers only, option C, availability of time and other resources, option D, none of the above. Here the right answer is option C, availability of time and other resources. The next question, bibliography given in a research report. Option A, helps those interested in further research and studying the problem from another angle. Option B, makes the report authentic. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Here the right answer is option C, both A and B are the correct answer. Bibliography helps to further research and also it makes the report authentic. The next question, what do you consider as the main aim of interdisciplinary research? Option A, to bring out holistic approach to research. Option B, to reduce the emphasis of single subject in research domain. Option C, to oversimplify the problem of research. Option D, to create a new trend in research methodology. Here the correct answer is option A, to bring out holistic approach to research. The next question, the best quality of a researcher is option A, curiosity, option B, active imagination, option C, ability, option D, all of the above. Here the right answer about quality of research is all of the above is the correct answer. The next question is, collective psychology of the whole period is a theory which option A, can explain all phases of historical development, option B, means the psychology of the whole society, option C, means psychological approach of data collection, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option A, can explain all phases of historical development. Okay friends, this is about today's session, and once again I would like to remind you about our AP set crash course, which includes 20 mock tests, which is available only at rupees 1999 on our global online university app. And if alternatively you can only join for 20 mock tests, which are available at rupees 499 on our website and on our WhatsApp group. Okay, to join for these mock tests or crash course, you can contact to this number. Thank you. And for UGC NET, for AK set, for MS set mock test, you can subscribe to our Global Online University channel. Thank you.